Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete several letter item on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon application on your device. Okay, after that here you can click card icon at the bottom. Okay, and then to find the several letter items, you can scroll down like this. Okay, and then here you can delete it by pressing this button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to delete several letter items on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.